Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Flip Diving game on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store on your device and then tap on the search box and then type in Flip Diving and start your search. Once you find the Flip Diving application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Tap on the Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Flip Diving game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the game. And now you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start enjoying the Flip Diving game on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Flip Diving game on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.